says that, I wanted to remind, because we're in a public forum, that the DPP must give reasons for withdrawal to the court, not just to drop them like that. 88. 157.8.
In fact, it doesn't say that. It says that the DPP will not withdraw except with the leave of the court.
Yeah.
I'm quite, you know my position with regard to the Constitution. With regard to the Constitution, that's so. We wait for the courts.
No, Mr. Speaker. Chair, it says. Let me read from the Constitution. The director of the public prosecution may not discontinue a prosecution without the permission of the court.
It's the same thing.
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
Exactly, Mr. Chairman. The leave of the court.
In law, permission and leave are used interchangeably.
Mr. Chairman, it's
yes.
Mr. Chairman, I think we are saying the same thing.
Yes, it is the same thing.
With the honourable member,
yeah.
But again, because we don't know whether the courts have given permission, so again, it may be incoherent for us to start saying this and this has happened, because the courts before whom the DPP is making the application will ask for the reasons. And maybe if the courts are not satisfied, the court is not satisfied, it might refuse. But remember again, that same, you go slightly above there in clause 7, if the withdrawal comes after the DPP has closed his case, it results in the acquittal of the accused person. And that would have, some bearing on. Then, of course, and these are some of the things that I was saying earlier on. Remember, this is even you, honourable member, may be taken to court. And if the reasons for which you have been taken there are not justifiable, you also have a right, after that acquittal, to even sue the government. So again, the matter will find itself with the Attorney General, because now that will be civil. And that's why I was saying, we must work, in a collaborative way with all these agencies and ministries.